Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Saeco Barista Espresso machine. Now for this machine we just gave it a tune-up, replacing some of the parts of the brew unit. This is the brew unit of the machine. But this is a brew unit of the machine. The brew unit of the machine has is in here. And we just did clean everything around, descale this machine and just give it a good clean all over. So starting with hot water, we're going to test this out. That way we can see that this one is working and not leaking or anything, and then we're gonna do an espresso shot. With that hot water, we're gonna warm up our cup, and as you can see, nice steady stream coming out of the machine, working great. And now we can do our shot of espresso. Pre-infusion. And there comes the coffee. And as you can see, nice steady stream coming out of the machine. Good crema forming at the top. And perfect quantity of the coffee. And as you can see, looking really good. Looking great. And there you have it, Saeco Barista working once again. So thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.